So, I lay myself down on the balcony, and I was looking up at the stars, the same stars that the midwife saw. Yes, the same ones. And I was looking up at them. And I tried to do that thing. I don't know if any of you have done this when you were little. Has anybody done this thing where you lie on your back and you look at a ceiling or the sky and you try your hardest to imagine that that is down and that's up? Yes? And you look and you go, what does it feel like? Am I stuck? Am I going to fall? Has anybody ever done that? Yes, there are some nods. Good. Not everybody thinks I'm mad. All right, so I was lying on this balcony, sitting looking up at the stars, trying to imagine that I could fall. I could fall down into the stars. And then I'm going to backtrack a second, because this is not really a story, but a description from an African story, okay? A description of the world. Let me just pass this by you, okay? So, the world is a calabash, okay? And if you imagine this big sphere of the calabash, and you imagine it split in two, the top half is the sky, the bottom half is water, and the land floats on the water, okay? We know better than that, don't we? And I might need your help here because I don't know all the facts, all right? But what I do know is that we live on a ball, yes? We live on a great big ball. And we are spinning, are we not? We are spinning in the sky. And we are spinning around the sun, and the sun is spinning around the galaxy, the universe, the solar. What's the sun spinning around? The galaxy. What the galaxy will do? The galaxy is spinning within the universe? Yeah, okay. All right. Can I ask you something? Because somebody might know this, I don't. Does anybody know how fast we're moving?
18.5 miles per second round the sun.
Right now?
Yeah.
18.5 miles per second.
Yeah.
Right now, around the sun. Wow. Okay. So this is all true, is it not? These are the facts. Okay. So the story's rubbish. Does it feel like we're standing on a ball? No. Okay. It doesn't. Does it feel pretty flat, certainly where we are now?
Yeah.
Yes, all right, okay. And if you're standing outside, imagine you're standing outside in the landscape, and just for the sake of this argument, let's pretend there's no mountains because it complicates things for a second. Imagine it's flat, and you are looking right the way around at the horizon, and you're going to watch it right the way around. And then you look up at the sky. What shape is the sky making? A dome, yes. So the sky is a dome. Those stories from Sweden, I think it is, or it's a story from Norway about the big ice giant with the ice skull, and it's as if we're inside his skull. It's, it is that. It is. We're inside a dome. Yes. And certainly if you're on an island, maybe less, but we're a bigger island, we're floating on water, or look like. Fair point? Mm-hmm. So from a perception point of view, in that case...
So we are in a gourd.
We are in a gourd. We are indeed. From a perceptive point of view, that's exactly how we perceive where we are. Okay, even though we know the facts, but we don't know the facts, we know the facts. Okay. So, now to go back to my stars, and looking up and looking down. Which way's up? Okay. Which way's down? But if we're spinning through space on a great big ball and we're doing this all the time, what happened to up and down? Okay, okay, with me? Is there up and down in space? Probably not. But hang on, we're in space. Aren't we? We're in it. We're not outside it, we're in it. So, okay, so up and down disappears. So, if that's true, and we know this is true, we're on a ball, and if the ball is spinning, and okay, we can't totally get rid of up and down because we sort of know what that feels like, or we think we do. But okay, now we're at the top because our globe always shows us at the top here, doesn't it? So we're okay, we're not falling off. The Australians are falling off, we're not. But yes, but as it turns tonight, right now, at our 18.5 miles per second, we're shifting. And surely as that happens, we're facing down at the stars. So all of a sudden it's completely true to say, I'm looking down at the stars. But even more than that, if you're lying there and you're looking down at the stars and you suddenly feel like, whoa, if you do this with children, on a lot of children on the floor, and you get them to literally lie on the floor and do it. After a while of silence, you literally get them going, so that moment of going, when I was little, I thought I was imagining that was down. I wasn't imagining it at all. That sensation of going, is real. You're stuck here and you're facing down. And if it wasn't for gravity's glue, I go up and I come down again. And it's like I have elastic bands on my feet. No, you're going down again. So my stars, sorry, that was the journey I wanted to take you on in relation to stars. And the fact that was the truth. Okay.